To turn on or off AI in Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first let's open our settings, then scroll down to the Galaxy AI. Select it from the list and then you will see all of the features for Galaxy AI, and if you want to enable or disable them, click on each of the options. If you like them, you can enable or disable them with the switch right here. When it says it on, that means it's enabled. When it says off, that means it's disabled. In this case, I'm just gonna turn them off like that. And you just need to go for each of the options and make sure that they are disabled. And that is basically everything.